Hello students. Today I am going to explain you report writing in writing section. First, let's understand what is report writing. A report is a clear and concise document which is written for a particular purpose and audience. The three important parts of the definition here are: clear means it should possess clarity of expression and must not deviate from the objective. Concise means it should be of shorter length. Generally, it is of 200 words, but it depends on the question. Purpose means it is written to provide certain important information. It may be regarding an event or an incident, and it is meant for a particular audience. The report may be written for a school magazine or journals or newspaper. Students, remember the definition of report. Now, there are some important points to remember while writing any report. Number 1, it must be written in past tense. Second, don't use the first person in writing report. That is, I, me. Such pronouns are not allowed. Try to use the third person. Third, use indirect speech while writing any report. And fourth, use passive voice while writing any report. First, let's draw a rectangular box. Students, note it is not necessary to draw a box. In the first line, in the middle, write the heading of the report in capital letters. The heading contains the event name. Then, on the right hand corner, write reported by or by name of the reporter and designation if any. On the left hand corner, write the place and below that, write the date on which the report is written. Then comes body of the report. Body of the report is divided into three parts: introduction, main content, and conclusion. In the introduction, in the first line, answer the questions in the sequence. What is the event? Who conducted it? When was it conducted? And where was it conducted? In the second line, answer the question, why was it conducted? And in the third line, you can write the participants or volunteers that participated in the event. When you fulfill this, your introduction will be completed. Now, coming to the second paragraph, that is of main content. Here, you have to write how the event started and what were the highlights of the event. And third one is conclusion. Here you have to summarize the end of the event with a positive note. If you notice closely in the first paragraph, you need to answer the 5 W's. What, who, when, where, and why. And in the second paragraph, you need to answer how it was held. Students, note that there are some variations in reported by, date, and location. Let's understand the format with an example. The question is, Red Cross Society organized a blood donation camp in TCS, Gandhinagar, for its employees. Write a report in about 200 words covering the event as a reporter of Times of India. Let's start with a heading. Blood donation camp at TCS. On the right hand side, reported by XYZ, reporter, Times of India. Students, note that if the name is not provided, write XYZ. Do not write your name in the exam. Now on the left hand side, let's write the location, which is Gandhinagar, and the date on which the report is written. Let's write 14th March 2020. Now comes the body of the report. As discussed, it is divided into 3 paragraphs. In the first paragraph, must have in the first line the answers of the questions in sequence. What was the event about? Who conducted the event? When was it happened? And where it happened? In the second line, answer to the question of why the event occurred And in the third line, you have to write the participants or the volunteers that participated in the event. When we fulfill this, our introductory paragraph looks like this. A blood donation camp was organized by Red Cross Society on 10th March 2020 from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. at TCS, Gandhinagar. The main purpose of this event was to create awareness regarding regular blood donation among the employees. It was very well planned camp and many employees voluntarily participated in this noble cause. In the second paragraph, you have to write how the event started and what were the highlights of the event. Let's write in this way. A team of 5 doctors and 20 nurses were present at the location. Dr. Akash gave an informative speech on the importance of blood donation at the start of the event. The first person to donate the blood was head of HR department. After that, a large number of employees donated blood with beaming faces and a proud heart. Refreshment was provided before and after the donation of blood to each donor. A certificate of appreciation, donation card, and a tea mug were given to each donor as a token of gratitude. So, this is the second paragraph, and in the final paragraph, you have to summarize end of the event with a positive note. Let's write in this way. As the end of the event was approaching, there was a sense of satisfaction on the faces of volunteers as a total of 257 units of blood was collected. The team of doctors appreciated all those who participated in the camp and making it a huge success. I hope you have understood report writing. Your homework is. Thank you.